Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the next type of your pipes and systems concept. Two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 15 minutes and 20 minutes respectively. So listen, here A can fill it in 15 minutes, B can fill it in 20 minutes. What is the LCM of this? 60. A can fill it in into 4, B can fill it in 3 liter per minute. If it is hour means per hour, if it is day means per day, that's all. Now, both the pipes are opened together. Both are opened together means they can able to fill 4 plus 3 7 liter per minute after 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, in the sense both the pipes are worked for 4 minutes, 28 liter was filled in the tank. The total capacity is 60. In the total capacity, 28 liter was filled. So 5 minus 2 is 3, 32 liter. Now, A is turned off. What is the total time required to fill the tank? A is filled. Sorry, A is closed. So the B alone want to fill the remaining tank, remaining capacity of the tank. So B can able to fill 3 minutes. So 32 divided by 3 means 10 3s are 30. Remainder 2 by 3. I can write it as 2 by 3 as minutes, 2 by 3 minutes as seconds. So 60, it will be cancelled. So 3 2s are, this is 1 time, this is 2 times. So 20 into 2 is 40 seconds. B alone can take 2. Total time required to fill the tank here in this question. But here B alone can take to fill the remaining tank in 10 minutes 40 seconds. Already they are worked for 4 minutes. So your answer is 14 minutes 40 seconds. So 14 minutes 40 seconds. The time required to fill B alone for the remaining tank means 32 by 3 is in after 32 by 3 is 10 3s are 13. 30, remainder 2 by 3. I can convert this 2 by 3 as minutes, seconds. In this minutes value, I can consider this is seconds. This is 2 times 2 into 20, 40 seconds. This is the B alone for the remaining work. A and B means already it was happened 4 minutes. So the total work capacity is, total working time capacity is 14 minutes 40 seconds. How the question is, if B alone take to complete the remaining work means your answer is 10 minutes 40 seconds. Here how much time the whole tank is filled means your answer is 14 minutes 40 seconds. Depends upon the questions you want to answer that. Okay, that's all. A and B can fill a bucket in 10 minutes and 15 minutes respectively. A can take 10 minutes, B can take 15 minutes. So what is the LCM of 10 and 15? 30. So 10 into 3, 15 into 2. A can fill it in 3 liter, B can able to fill 2 liter per minute. If both of them working together means 5 liter per minute. So now if both are opened and A is closed after 3 minutes. If both are opened and A is closed after 3 minutes means 5 liter into 3 minutes. Working means that totally 15 liter was filled in tank. Our total capacity is 30 liter. 15 liter was filled by both A and B. The remaining 15 liter. Now the A is closed. How much time further time remaining tank will be filled by B alone? The B's capacity is 2 liter. B's capacity is 2 liter. Okay. Now the B alone can take to fill the remaining 15 liter in 7.5 minutes. So the answer is option C. This is the example of how the pipes are closed in between in mid time. This is the example of in and out method. Thank you for watching.